I got my first piece of Coach denim, as you've seen in the thumbnail. So let's get into this box. Hello, my name is Andrea. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me in the Babe Cave. And I am so excited. This bag, this collection has been hyped and viral, and I could not resist. I wanted one piece in particular, and I ended up with 3. So let's get into the first box that I have received. I did not get this one off the website because, as most people have been mentioning in their videos, the website, they have some problems. They need some new people to help them with their website, especially when they know this collection went viral early and people were able to get pieces early and I was not, but it doesn't matter. I still got what I wanted. So let's get into it. I got this from my local outlet. I called at exactly 10 o'clock when they opened. My doorbell rang and I thought it was my other Coach outlet pieces, but it was not. So we're just gonna stick with this one. Cutting it open. I have not peeked. I will be just as surprised as you are. Yeah, I called the outlet exactly when they opened up and asked about this Laurel shoulder bag, if they had them, and yes they did, and I ordered through a link that they sent me, and it was very seamless. So I've never ordered through a link like that before, but I can say that it worked out good. I just forgot to ask for tracking, but it came here within 2 days. And she wrapped it. It was wrapped for me and everything. So she must have did it like as soon as I placed the order. When I placed the order, I got a text message with the link and also a picture of the bag. So that was really nice. I don't know if you all have done that before, but it's my first time. I do not usually stalk websites when something drops, ever. I lost my mind, like a bunch of people. She did include the receipt in here. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and comment down below what you think of my new bag. Are you ready to see this Laurel shoulder bag? Because I am. Alright, let's go. Oh man. It's just as exciting as my soft tabby. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, these cherries are adorable. This is the smaller Laurel bag, which I really wanted to grab. That's the one thing I wanted. I did not want the large one. I knew this was going to be my perfect size. However, unlike the Rowan, it does not have feet. I wonder if that's because you can do this crossbody or shoulder. And here is the details. Want to see those. This probably sold out first because I know a lot of people were looking for this particular bag, but if you call your outlet right away after a drop, typically they have these. Yeah. So it comes with a short shoulder, gold hardware, and it comes with the longer strap with a lot of adjustments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 adjustments. So you can make it a longer shoulder bag or a short shoulder bag. And I will do mod shots at the end. This vachetta looks to be treated to me. And the glazing is a maroonish in color glazing. Pretty. So the straps are good. Here, this one's the short shoulder. It sounds like the shell, I believe that's the inside, is made of, the cotton is sourced from regenerative agricultural practices. So I have had terrible luck with buttons before. In a Coach, my other denim bag, when I undid it, the button broke. So I really hope that they fix that. I don't know why it came apart, but it has the slip pocket with the button and it has the zipper pocket. I believe the retail price that I paid was $219, I want to say. Of course, you know, their comparable value, $426, which it never is that price. Very nice. Now, these aren't lined up, so if that bothers you, I don't know if you would like this bag. It's an outlet bag, so I don't know that they were really caring about making things lined up like a Louis Vuitton usually is. But, oh, it's so pretty. The texture is different than chambray for sure because these C's are lifted just like my tabby. Let's compare the two. This is my retail soft tabby and my new Laurel. Let's look at them up close. It does seem like the Laurel is not as distressed material as the soft tabby. It's a little lighter and more distressed. But the Laurel does have you can feel the C's, so that's cool. I like the texture. It's soft. It won't fall over because it's structured at the bottom. No feet, like I said, no back pocket. I feel like they probably could have added a back pocket. It has the Coach gold logo in the front. It is gorgeous. I really do like it. I mean, I already knew that I would like it because I knew I liked my soft tabby. So this collection, I was so excited about. And the zipper works really good. And I'll pop up the dimensions up here. And I'll do a separate video when I get all my pieces about what I put inside, how I dress it up, and everything like that, and what I come out with measurements. But it's a very light, oh, it's soft. I think the texture is nice. This seems like very good quality for an outlet piece to me. Blue bottom, leather bottom. I think it's funny they put the cherry collection out and then they put this denim collection out. I'm guessing because this, you could use your cherry accessories inside your Laurel shoulder bag, right? So, and you know how everyone loves cherries. I have the cherry charm. I mean, is that too much cherries? I don't know. So let's see what it looks on me. I am 5'6", curvy, probably average height. So let's try both straps and see what it looks like. I wore my denim jeans because, well, denim. So here is the short shoulder strap. Very comfortable. I like that. I like a short shoulder strap. Very cool. And this drop is a decent drop. That is adorable. Let's try the long strap. Okay, I just kept it where it currently is. And it might be a little up high for me. Maybe one down. It looks cute as a crossbody too. Oh, look at that. Very cute. I like both versions. So for me, it's going to be the short shoulder or crossbody. I love that you can detach this strap. Because you know what else would probably look good with this? Some of you may know already what I'm going to do. Look at my rainbow strap with this. Oh! So, if you have one of the Coach retail rainbow leather straps, oh, it's so cute. You can pop some color into it. These straps are amazing. And I kind of want the pastel one too. But this one, the red, the blue, beautiful. Love it. Love it. You all know I like denim. You saw my denim collection. And now I'm going to have more denim. I love it. I am a casual type. T-shirt and jeans is like my jam. Or workout pants and leisure pants and a t-shirt. Yes. What do you guys think of my Laurel bag? And did you get one of these? Let me know down below what you got from this collection. And I'm impressed, honestly. I like this so much better than chambray print. I'll do another video comparing my chambray print, which is denim, to this. This to me is better. I can't wait to get my other two items. I do love this bag, and that's the one I wanted. I didn't want the large one. This is my perfect size for me. It's beautiful. It almost looks like a retail bag. I am impressed, and I see why it went viral. So I thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed my Laurel unboxing, and I'm impressed. I love it. I like the options of the two straps, and the cutest little cherry charm on there is adorable. Yeah, it's so pretty. And it lays against your hang tag. Of course, Outlet has the shiny gold, and retail has the more muted gold. So that's a difference between retail and Outlet, if you didn't know. But yeah, love it. I don't care if it's Outlet or retail. It's whatever I like, and I love denim. How about you? I appreciate you all for watching, subscribing. Let me know what you got, and don't forget to hit the bell because I do have more denim on the way. I think they're supposed to be here in a couple of days, so stay tuned for the next denim unboxing. I'm probably on Ban Island now, but I don't care. I wanted this. I'll consider it my Valentine's. I do not care. So, thank you again for watching, and until next video, I will talk to you soon. Bye!